Good day, everyone. I am Boss Sai, your host, and I would like to thank Timelux Watch Marketing, Watch Empire, Ceylon Coffee, Club Farmers Plaza, and for making things happen. Please like and follow their page. Facebook po ito. Timelux Watch Marketing, Watch Empire PH, and Ceylon Coffee Club, Farmers Plaza. And of course, your host, please like and subscribe to my page po, no? Boss Sai 28 po at YouTube po yan. Thank you guys. So guys, no, as you can see, yan. This is Casio W to 219 HC3B. Yan. With the module number 3224. Okay? So, ito yon actual unit. Yeah. Yan po yun. So, I'm going to show you kung paano po ito i-set. No? Yan. As you can see guys, yan. Kailangan pindutin nyo lang yung mode. Oh, wait. Let's remove this. Yan. Para mas makita nyo. Yan. This is for the stopwatch. Yan. Pag once na nagbi-blink na yan, ibig sabihin, ready to set na yan. So, yung ito, yung light button, nasa ilalim, para makapag-select kayo. Kung ano yung nagbi-blink, yun yung pwede nyo i-set. Yan. See guys? Ngayon, for example, let's say, ang time natin is 4:45. So, i-set natin for 4:45. Yan. Dito, ito makikita nyo. Diyan pwede nyo galawin yung ano. So, dahil naka 24 hours to, yan. 16, diba? Yan. So, let's proceed, no? Punta tayo sa 16. Then, press ulit to para lumipat. 4:45. So, set natin ng 4:45. Yan. Then, ito, malalaman nyo naman. So, month ito. Yan. So, Feb 12. So, set natin ng Feb 12, no? Yan. Sorry guys sa reflection. Yan. Ay, sorry lumagpas. Yan. Set natin. And the date today. Ano bang day natin yan? Monday. So, yan. Monday. Tapos, proceed ulit ito. Yung like button. Yan. So, once na naset nyo na siya, actually ngayon naka 24 hours siya, no? Yan. So, pagka pinindot nyo yung start, stop, ito. Ito. Yan. It's either, yan, PM, 12 hours, tsaka 24 hours. Yan. Gets? And also, ito, para sa light. Yan, no? Kita nyo yung light? Yan. So, that's how to set. By the way po, 50 meters water resist. Pwede po siya pang swimming. 50 meters pang dive. Pero I believe na mahirapan ka naman na makapag-dive ng 50 meters. Yan. Which is napakaganda ng design. Yan. And also the color. Ganda to pang rugged. Also mga pang adventure nyo. Yan. Ganda. I like it actually. Yun. So guys, I hope may natutunan po tayo ngayon. Module number 3224. So yun. Thank you guys.